Hey guys, can you remember how we said a paragraph is the oxygen of writing? Well, today let's talk about what's inside that oxygen, the secret recipe of a great paragraph. Now, I am showing you a sandwich here for a reason. Can you guess why? Yes, a good paragraph is exactly like a sandwich. Stick with me, this is about to get deliciously educational. When I was in college, I once submitted a paragraph that looked like a sandwich missing both slices of bread. It started abruptly and ended even worse. My teacher just wrote one comment, "Hey mister, this paragraph is hungry. Feed it structure." That's when I learned the golden rule. Every good paragraph has 3 layers: a beginning, a middle, and an end. Alright? Now picture your paragraph like a sandwich. Top bread, the topic sentence. This is where you introduce the main idea. It's the first bite that tells your reader what flavor to expect. Then filling, supporting sentence. Here is the delicious part, the details, examples, explanations, and evidence that make your paragraph rich and satisfying. And finally, bottom bread, concluding sentence. This wraps it all up neatly, giving your reader a sense of completion, like the final bite that says, "Ah, that was good." Now, let's see one in action with an example, reading books. In this paragraph, topic sentence, reading books helps us grow mentally and emotionally. Supporting sentence, it improves our knowledge, imagination, and language skills. When we read stories, we also learn about empathy and human behavior. Concluding sentence. So, reading regularly makes us wiser, more creative, and more understanding people. They are a complete, balanced sandwich of thought. Now, many students either skip the top bread, they forget to start properly, or they forget to end, leaving the reader hanging like a sandwich with no bottom slice. If you skip the structure, your paragraph falls apart, just like a sandwich that slides all over your hands. I often tell my students, a paragraph without structure is like a thought that never learned how to walk. But when you give it a topic sentence, support, and a conclusion, it starts walking confidently across the page. And that's the moment your writing transforms from random sentence into organized meaning. So let's remember, a strong paragraph equal to one idea plus clear structure, topic sentence, support, and conclusion, the sandwich model. When you master this, your writing becomes not only correct, but it becomes delicious to read. In the next class, we will dive into why paragraphs are important in English writing. But for now, go make your own paragraph sandwich and don't forget to make it tasty. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel to enjoy such tutorials. See you soon in the next class. Thank you so much.